If you're an Access student studying YO31, YO32 or YO33, I really hope that you'll join me at our Student Hub Live event, which is all about making the most of your Access module. Now, some of you may be at the beginning of your journey and others may be reaching the end, but this event is for all of you. I'll be talking with colleagues involved with writing and overseeing the modules, and we have some great topics lined up that we think will be really helpful to you all. We're going to cover how to make sure you're actually answering the questions set and not one that you'd prefer it to be, using evidence effectively, and since we're all very keen on reflection, we'll be reflecting on how to make the most of that also. The event is at the Student Hub Live, which is the OU's online interactive platform, and anyone is welcome to log on at any point in the programme. At these events you can watch the discussion in the studio, talk to others and share your own views. If you have a question you'd like to ask in advance, just email us. And if you can't attend on the day, you can catch up afterwards. It's not often that we have a chance to all get together in a virtual space and talk, so I really hope that you can join us then.